I got no rules, I count 'em.
So we're back again the same day. So we're going over here to show you about the bush hogs you didn't see in the last video. Talking about the bush hog on the Case IH over there, as you can see. It's kind of funny. So we'll see you guys over here in 1 minute. Okay, so we're over by the bush hog, as you can see. It's kind of a easy hook, kind of a hard hookup for this. So go check out this video where I talked about the Case IH 85. So, well, this goes like on the PTO, and then like this spins around to make the blades on the bush hog go. And these chains are for like, so say like you get a big rack and like it comes out, it doesn't come out so fast. And I don't know if you could get the view of the blade under there. I don't know if they can see that. Yeah.
This is the PTO.
Yeah. And then
This
you
hooks
just
up
like,
to the PTO.
then you just like and then you like hook it up through here and then put a pin through there, and then it's all hooked up right here. You can see, and then I'll show you guys what this shaft goes through. So it goes through here, which then just spins around. And then, I don't know if you guys could see, but the blade's underneath that spins there and it cuts the grass. And this bush hog's for an other tractor. We have the 961, and the red one over there is for the 861. A little bit easier setup. So you're gonna put this on the PTO.
This isn't only for the back.
Yeah, it could be for other stuff too.
Yeah, it can be for his 1800. It can be for my 6000.
Yeah. Well, yeah, and then we put the 3-point hitch through here, then put a pin through those holes right there, and put this on the PTO, like I said. And then the blade spin on this one. But as you didn't see 2 vlogs ago or videos ago, I was talking about the 861. I was talking about the bush hog a little bit on that one. And here's the 861 bush hog. This one has a tiny little shaft. I don't know if it's smaller than the other one. Let's see. It's a little long weeds over here, so we'll have to mow that soon. So, oh, you can see the blade right here. Yeah, definitely don't try this at home, touching a blade on the mowers.
And check out
this is the little wheel.
And check out my video.
Yeah, and we're gonna take a video of my brother over there taking a video of the trailer pretty soon. And as you can see behind us, that's that big International 4900 dump truck that my grandpa used to buy.
And be sure to check that video out and post it.
Yeah, so just make sure you all come over there, and then you'll see you sometime. See you next time.
Bye-bye.